Hey guys, welcome back to my uncle's collection. It's growing quite big actually. Finished that not too long ago. All the main lines here. Matchboxes. We got some of these premium matchboxes, 5-packs, all sorts of stuff. And 5-packs, and we got these. I really like how these look. These slide and protectos put on the wall. These are actually pretty expensive, surprisingly, but yeah. It fits every car. Except for we got a few treasure hunts in the cases. But other than that, that's all like the cards that I want to keep in here. We will put them up on the side kind of and show them. But yeah, so it's going pretty good. Got a lot of loose cards, some 5-packs. I might buy these 2 bags so I can put them for trade. I do like the Crosworth, that's pretty cool. I mean the Sierra, is it? I don't remember too well. Crosworth or Sierra? Yeah, I was right. Yeah, Crosworth. Both of them were right. Still, pretty sick though. A lot of cool stuff. Got those whole walls covered. Got the Optimus Prime. Where is it? Oh, right there. If not for my favorite pair, are these two, the Black Widow and the BMW 6 Series, the Shark. Yeah, these are the only 2 really old cars he has, but yeah. See you guys later. Let's continue the journey. Later.